Do you like to play with a ball? Playing with a ball can be very good for us. Playing with balls helps to improve motor skills. This means the muscle movements we use in our everyday life. It improves hand-eye coordination. Which means the way that our hands and eyes work together. To be able to do things that require speed and accuracy. Like catching a ball. When we catch a ball, we need to remember to keep our eye on the ball and use both hands. Can you catch a ball? When we bounce a ball, we need to push the ball down with our fingertips. And keep our knees bent and head up. Can you bounce a ball? When we throw a ball, we use the same hand as we use when we color or write. To throw a ball, we should raise the ball next to our ear. And point with our other hand. This helps us to aim. Can you throw a ball? When we roll a ball, we put it on the ground. And using both hands, give it a big push. So that it moves across the ground. Can you roll a ball? Well done! Goodbye!